Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome to my channel. Itong video na ito ngayon guys, ituturo ko sa inyo ang mga examples ng mga collective nouns. Collective nouns. A group of friends. Circle. A group of robbers. Gang. A group of artists. Troop. A group of workers. Union. A group of musicians. Band. A group of pictures. Gallery. A group of information. Data. A group of laws. Code. A group of flowers. Garland. A group of listeners. Assembly. A group of soldiers. Regiment. A group of sailors. Crew. A group of players. Team. A group of directors. Board. Salamat guys. Sana may natutunan kayo sa videos ko ngayon. God bless. Ingat.